of Celebration 3 is a unique event that aims to foster unity and positive interactions amongst learners by facilitating cross-cultural exchange through music that not only promote diversity and social cohesion, but also benefit disadvantaged learners and communities. Now, the event will be held next week Tuesday at the Emperor's Palace in Johannesburg and will feature seasoned musicians, including South Africa's jazz legend, Pops Mohammed, as well as Jewish singing sensation, Choni G. To tell us more about the concert, we joined in studio by Joan Lithgow from Education Africa. Good morning to you and welcome to Morning Live.
Good morning and thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming through. Now, how did the Sounds of Celebration come about?
Well, this is a joint venture between the Sydenham Shul and Education Africa to promote social cohesion in our country. And as a direct result of the fundraising concert, which we'll be doing on Tuesday evening, we will be opening up marimba hubs in disadvantaged areas. We already have three marimba hubs, one in Alexandra, one in Davidton, and we're about to start one in Soweto this year.
So the Marimba Hubs forms part of the 9 projects that you run?
Correct, yes. The International Arts and Culture project is one of 9 projects that Education Africa runs.
Now, like you rightfully said, Joan, that the event promotes social cohesion and diversity through music, but how important is this for young people, to take part in this?
Of course. I think social cohesion in our country is key to changing people's perceptions and to promoting race relations in our country. And I think every single teacher in our country needs to be working on this, and I think we owe it as teachers in our country to be promoting social cohesion. So this is a very important project where we have children from both disadvantaged and advantaged communities performing alongside each other, making music together, and then we're performing for 2 performances on Monday afternoon and Tuesday afternoon. We're performing for over 1,000 disadvantaged children from various townships in the Gauteng area.
And then how did you go about bringing together those children? Do you perhaps go out to find them, or how do they become part of this initiative?
Right, so some of the children that are performing today, on Tuesday, will be from our marimba hubs already, and then from various schools and around the area that we know. We've auditioned people and we've selected the cream of the crop from Gauteng's areas.
And lastly, what can the audience look forward to on Tuesday?
Well, we have an amazing project. We've got 180 performers, as I said, including probably 170 of them being amateur children from the Gauteng area, and then we also have legendary Pops Mohammed, who will be performing alongside these children, the Vuyani Dance Theatre Company, who will be performing with us, as well as Choni G, who is a Jewish singing sensation amongst the Jewish community. So it's going to be quite spectacular.
A beautiful lineup, I see. Now, let us just give our viewers a glimpse of what to expect next week Tuesday at Emperor's Palace. Blue Earth, is it Blue Earth?
Correct.
Okay,
Blue
they're
Earth.
performing to us now.